Hello, welcome again. Today we are going to solve Edexcel GCSE Mathematics Paper 3 Non-Calculator. This is a part 2. So today we'll solve question 10. Question 10 here about mathematical expressions. So question 10 here, part A, simplify 3a plus 4c minus a plus 3c. Here we have a mathematical expression and we need to simplify. That means we have to reduce the number of terms. Here we have 4 terms, 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms. So we will go and find out like terms. Here we have 3a minus a, which is 2a, plus 4c plus 4c plus 3c plus 7c. So 2a plus 7c. Expand, that means everything outside the brackets you have to multiply it with each term inside the brackets. So y times 2y is 2y to the power of 2 minus y times 3 is 3y. So our answer is 2y minus 3y. Part C, factorize. Here we have x squared minus 4x. So we know that x highest common factor between these two terms. We know that x squared means x times x, and here we have 4 times x. So there is x a common factor, so we'll take it out. So x out, open brackets, left over is x, minus left over is 4 times 1, which is 4. That's mean factorize, rewrite this expression using brackets. So our answer is x times x minus 4. X minus 4. Now expand and simplify. Expand and simplify. So this is 2 parts. This is the first part. I have to expand first, then I have to simplify it. So we should multiply 2 times x and 2 times 3, and here 3 times 2x and 3 times 1. So we have 2x plus 6. Now plus 3 here, plus 3 times 2x is plus 6x, plus 3 times minus 1, plus times minus is minus, 3 times 1 is 3. Now like terms are 2x, 6x, 8x, and plus 6 minus 3 is plus 3. So answer is 8x plus 3. Here down, solve 3 between 2 brackets x plus 2 time equal 8. So again 3 times x, 3 times 2. So here we'll get 3x plus 6 equal 8. Now here we have equation needs 2 steps to solve it for x. So here minus 6 to the both sides, or you can move plus 6 here. You can move it to the right hand side and change the sign from plus 6 to minus 6. Here we'll have 3x plus 6 minus 6 is 0. So 3x equal, this is will be 0, equal to 8 minus 6 is 2. Now dividing both sides by a 3, the opposite operation of a multiplication is division, so divide both sides by 3, we'll get x equal 2 over 3. So x equal 2 over 3. Now question 11 here, bearing. The diagram shows the positions of 2 telephone masts A and B on a map. Here they are. Now measure the bearing of B from A. The bearing from A from A, yes, the bearing from A. We know that always we should have a north, and to measure the bearing from A, that means I have to measure it here, because the measuring is always clockwise according with the north line. So here we should use our protractor, which is you should have it in your exam, a geometry set. So using your protractor, you will find it 59 degree, and as a bearing you should write it in 3 digits, so 0, 59 degree, and you should write it down here in the provided space, so 0, 59 degree. Now part B, another mast C is on a bearing of 160 degree from B on the map. C is 4 centimeter from B. Mark the position of C with a cross and label it C. So we'll get back here to our graph. The bearing, as I said, from north clockwise, so it will be here from this direction. Now we know that angle on a straight line is a 180 degree, so we can extend this line here to make it a straight line, and using your calculator it's a 180 degree, but the point C is in 160 degrees. So using your protractor and try to measure angle 160. Here is 180. Almost you will have the point C in this direction here. So you can put the point C, and you have to use your calculator to measure the distance between the point B and point C and make it 4 centimeters, as they mention it here. Yeah. Next question. Batteries are sold in buckets and boxes. Each bucket contains 4 batteries. So here is important information. Highlight it. Now each box contains 20 batteries. This is each box and this is each bucket. Here's the bucket and here is the box. Now the opposite, here is the bucket and here is the box. Yes, here is the box and here is the bucket. Now Bill buys P buckets of batteries and B boxes of batteries. Bill buys a total of N batteries. Write down a formula for N in terms of P and B. So the formula, it will be N equal in terms of P and B. So he buys P packets, and the P packets are including 4 or contains 4 batteries. So we'll have it for P plus each box contains 20 batteries and they're represented by B, so plus 20 B, and we should write the expression down here, formula N equal 4P plus 20B. Now write down, write in a standard form 213,000. Okay, so we know that a decimal point stand in here on the right hand side, so we shall move it to left. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we'll place it here between 2 and 1. So we'll have 2.13 times 10 to the power, yes, 1.13 times 10 to the power of 5, because we moved a decimal point 5 places. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. By the way, the standard form here is no more than a times 10 to the power of n. That means you are rewriting this number in powers of 10. A is greater than or equal 1, less than 10. For this reason, we put decimal point between 2 and 1, not between 1 and 3. Between 1 and 3 it will be 21, which is greater than 1, yes, but not less than 10. At the same time, n here is an integer, so maybe positive, maybe negative, but should be integer. Now down here, write in standard form. Writing it in standard form, we should move this decimal point 1, 2, 3 places and put it between 1 and 2, because now 1.23 is greater than 1 and less than 10. So it will be 1.23 times 10 to the power of minus 3, because we moved it to the right. So we moved it to the left, it means the power is positive. Moved it to the right, it means the power is negative. By the way, here, if you want to use your calculator here, sometimes in paper 4 they allow you to use your calculator. So if you want to use your calculator to change these numbers to standard form, so the idea is first to change a set for your calculator here to be in a standard form. So shift, then setup, choose 7, scientific notation. Now here scientific, how many significant figures you should see, you would like to see your number. Here we can put it as a 3 significant figure. So now write your number, 213,000 equal, yes, this is the number that we got it, 2.13 times 10 to the power of 5. Now the number here, 0.00123 equal to 1.23 times 10 to the power of minus 3. And don't forget to reset your calculator back to the normal, writing in normal numbers. So shift, then 9, clear, choose number 1, which is setup. Now yes, equal, it means yes, clear setup, and AC, it means complete. Now if you want to write it again to be sure that this setup get back again, it's the same numbers in here. It's not written in scientific notation. If you want to change from standard form to be an ordinary number, you should do the following. So 2.13 here, x times 10 to the power of x times 10 to the power of 5 equal, it's already here written in standard and ordinary number. Now 1.23 times 10 to the power minus 3, which is equal, it's given here also in standard form, so you can press shift and shift again and ENG. Here 10 to the power of 0, it means 1, so 0.00123. This is how you can change from standard form to be an ordinary number. Again, so 0.00123 equal, it's in standard form now, sorry, in standard form I should write it, so it's 1.23 times 10 to the power of minus 3. It's now in the standard form written here, so press shift and ENG bottom, do it again, Okay. Next question here. Write down the value of 5 to the power of 0. 5 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So anything to the power of 0 is 1. Here write down the value of 2 to the power of minus 1, which is 1 over 2. 1 over 2, because we have a rule a to the power of minus n. You can rewrite it and make a power positive by taking the power down. You will get a to the power of n. Now k is an integer such that k is greater than or equal to minus 1, less than 3. List all the possible values of k. So here they are just looking for an integers. So a minus 1 is included because there is an equal sign here. So it's a minus 1 here. Then we'll have also 0. Then we'll have also 1. Then we'll have also 2. 3 is not included because there is no equal sign here. So the answer is minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now solve the inequality here. You can work it out as an equation. So we have to collect variables to the one side. So move the small term to the big term. So here we will move y to the left hand side. So 6y minus y is greater than or equal to 10. 6y minus y is a 5y greater than or equal to 10. Divide both sides by 5. We'll get y greater than or equal to 2. So y is greater than or equal to 2. So next question. Make q the subject of the formula 5 times between two brackets q plus p equal 4 plus 8b. Give your answer in its simplest form. So we have to multiply 5 times q and 5 times p. So 5q plus 5p equal 4 plus p. They need q to be subject of the formula, so at the end we have to isolate a q on the left hand side. So I will keep 5q here and I will move 5p to the left hand side. We will get 4 plus p minus 5p. So 5q equal 4 minus 4p. Divide by both sides by 5. We'll get q equal 4 minus 4p divided by 5. Oh, here is 8. Again, here is 8 minus 5p. Here is 8. So we'll have 3. So here we'll have 3. Here we'll have plus a 3p, and here we'll have a plus 3p. Sorry. So q equal 4 plus 3p divided by 5. Next question here, question 17. Question 17, the box plots show the distribution of marks in an English test and in a math test for a group of students. Here we have English, math. Scale here from 0 to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It distance in between by 1. So here will be 5. Okay. So what is the highest mark in the English test? The highest mark in the English test, this is English here. So the highest mark is 50. Now compare the distributions of the marks in the English test and marks in the math test. Here for sure we'll use a median as they are mentioning it here for maths and here for for English. Here we have it 38, and here we have it 20, 25, 27. So the median was higher in the English test. So since the median for English is 38 and for math is 27, so this is how we can compare. First point is the median. Was higher in the English test, and the quarter range here also it's clear. Quartal range. So the quartal range, here we have 50, and here we'll have it 15 for English. Here is 15. So 50 minus 15 is 35, and the quartal from the quartal here we can find a range for maths also here. And here we have a 12, and here we'll have 44, and 44 minus a 12, finding a range, you will find it 32. So the quartal range was bigger in the English test. So the quartal range, was bigger in the English test. Yes. Here we are going to work with geometry. So this question 18. Question 18, we have a circle and also tangent here. This is chord, and here we have tangent. Okay, so BD and E are points on a circle, center O. ABC is a tangent to the circle, so ABC is the tangent, this one here. This is the tangent. Now BE is a diameter of the circle. Here BE is the diameter. Angle DBE is 35 degree. Now find the size of angle ABD. Give a reason for your answer. ABD. So we will find ABD. This is the angle ABD that they want from us to find it out. ABD. This angle here. And we know that there is a tangent here. This is the tangent. Now tangent and the radius here. Tangent and the radius. So tangent meets radius at 90 degree. So 90 degree here minus 35 degree will get 55 degree. So this angle here is a 55 degree. So now if you want to find out or write a reason here, give a reason, because they are asking us to find a reason. So here we'll write our answer 55 degree, give a reason for your answer. So we could write tangent meets radius at 90 degree. Find the size of angle DEB. Give a reason for your answer. The angle DEB, this angle here. So they want from us to find the angle here. The angle here we will use for sure alternate segment theorem. Alternate segment theorem, we need tangent, we need chord. That means this angle here is equal to this angle here. So this angle will be 55 degree. At the same time, here angle D is a 90 degree. Okay, because it's opposite to the diameter. So 90 plus 35 is 125. 180 minus 125, you will get 55 degree. But here we have alternate segment theorem. So here alternate segment theorem. So our angle is 55 degree. Question 19. Question 19. Emma has 7 pens in a box. 5 of the pens are blue, 2 of the pens are red. Emma takes at random a pen from the box and writes down its color. Emma puts the pen back in the box. Then Emma takes at random a second pen from the box and writes down its color. Complete the probability tree. So what we know it here is we have box, and this box we have 5 pens blue and we have 2 red. In all we have 7 pens. Okay, now using probability tree, so the first take is blue, so we have 5. We'll take 1, which is 5 blue out of 7, because we have 5 pens blue, so we'll take 1 out of the whole number of pens, so 5 over 7. For sure a red will be 2 out, second one it will be 2 out of 7, because she will put back again the one the first take. She will put it back again. She will take 1 and she will return it back. So if the first one was blue, the second one is also blue, it will be the same probability, 5 out of 7. First one was blue, the second one was red, it will be 2 out of 7. Here is the same, 2 out of 7 red, the second one is blue, so 5 out of 7. Red and red, so 2 out of 7. Now work out the probability that Emma takes exactly 1 pen of each color from the box. So maybe she will take a blue and red, or red and blue. So here we'll get back again here. So we have a blue and red, so 5 over 7 times 2 over 7 will get here 10 out of 49. If the first one is red, the second one is blue, also 10 out of 49. we'll add them together, you will get 20 out of 49. Now solve the simultaneous equations. Here we have 4x plus y equal minus 1, 4x minus 3y equal 7. As you can see here that the coefficient of x here is equal 4 and 4, so you can subtract direct these two equations. 4x minus 4x is 0, plus y minus 3y, minus with minus is positive, y plus 3y is 4y equal minus 1 and minus 7 is a minus 8. Divide both sides by 4, you will get y equal minus 2. Now y is equal minus 2. Take one of these equations and plug to minus 2 in y. So 4x plus y now minus 2 equal minus 1. So here it will be minus, so 4x minus 2 equal minus 1. Add 2 to the both sides, we'll get 4x equal 1. Divide both sides by 4, you will get 1 over 4. So the values here for x and y, x is 1 over 4 and y minus 2. Work out. Here we are working with sort, so square root under the square root 3 under the square root is a sort, because I don't have a number. If I multiply it by itself I will get 3, like square root of 4 is 2. So here work out, give your answer in its simplest form. So we'll multiply 2 times 2 and 2 times minus 3 first. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times minus root 3 minus 2 square root 3. We'll do the same for the square root 3, and square root 3 is positive, so it's fine now. We don't have to be scared about sign. So square root 3 times 2 is plus 2 square root 3. Now plus times minus is a minus. Square root 3 times square root 3 is 3, because we have a rule, square root a times square root a equal a, because here it's a to the power of half times a to the power of half. If you are multiplying with the same bases, so you can add the power, so half plus half, which is 1, so a to the power of 1, which is equal a. Same for 3. Now here minus 2 square root 3 plus 2 square root 3, they will cancel each other, so left over 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. We can write 1 here now. Question 22. OAB is a triangle. Vector OA equal A, this one here. Vector OB is here. Find the vector AB in terms of A and B, vector A and vector B. So this is AB here. We need to find it out. So we'll write here vector AB equal vector AO plus vector OB. And here vector AB equal, now AO, this is the direction of vector A, so going from A to B it will be opposite, so minus A. So here we have minus A plus vector OB, same direction, so we'll have it B. So our answer is minus A plus B. Now P is the point on AB, so that AP to PB equal ratio 2 to 1. So AP, so here AP is 2 over 3, because we have two parts. The first part is 2, second part is 1, so fraction for AP is 2 out of 3, and PB is 1 out of 3. Add them, you will get 1. You will get AB. So here PB, which is 1 over 3. Now find the vector OP in terms of A and B. So OP, this one vector OP, we need to find this vector here. So OP in terms of AB, give your answer in its simplest form. So OP, vector OP equal vector OA, vector OA, vector OA plus vector AP, this one here. So now we know that AP is 2 over 3 from the graph itself here. AP is 2 over 3 of AB. So we'll write it here. For sure, OA is vector A, small letter A, plus 2 over 3 vector A times vector AB. So this is equal A plus 2 over 3, and we know from the part A, the vector AB is no more than minus A plus B. We are going to simplify it now. So A minus 2 over 3 A plus 2 over 3 B, which is equal to this will be 3 over 3, so 1 over 3 A plus 2 over 3 B, and write it down here. So OP is no more than 1/3 A plus 2 over 3B. Now question 23. In question 23, prove that the recurring decimal 0.36 equal 4 over 11. So in this question here, we'll start step by step, changing a recurring decimal to be a fraction. So first of all, x equal 0.36, repeat, 36. Now this is x. Now we'll multiply it by 10 we'll get 10x equal, once we are multiplying by 10, it will be 3.6, then we'll have 36, then we'll have 36 again, then we'll have 36 again. And if you are subtracting it, 3 minus 0, 3, but here we will subtract 6 minus 3 and 3 minus 6. So we need to have 36.36 to be able to do subtraction well. So I will multiply again this 10x by 10. I will get 100x equal 36.36, and so on. Now if you are going to subtract 100x minus x, you will get 99x equal. Now 36 minus 0 is 36, decimal point. 36 minus 36 from here. 36 minus 36 is 0. 36 minus 36 is 0. So 0, 0, 0. So we'll cancel this part here. We'll cross it out. So left over here 99x equal 36. Now divide by both sides by 99, we'll get x equal to 36 divided by 99. Divide both sides by 9, both top and the bottom by 9, we'll get 4 divided by 11. Yes. Now question 24. This is a sketch of the curve with the equation y equal f of x. The only minimum point of the curve is at point 3 minus 4, which is in here. Okay, now the question, write down the coordinates of the minimum point of the curve with the equation y equal f of x minus 2. So coordinate x is shifted to the right. That means we have to add to the x coordinate 2, so we'll get 5 and minus 4. No change on the y axis, so our point here will be 5 and minus 4. Still a point 3 and minus 4. Now write down the coordinates of the minimum point of the curve with the equation. Here we have it's shifted 1, so plus 5, so we'll shift it to the left. That's mean 3 minus 5 is minus 2, and here then we'll add plus 6 to the y coordinate, so minus 3 minus 4 plus 6 is 2. Well, this is the end of our exam. No, still question 25. So question 25, prove using algebra that the sum of two consecutive whole number is always an odd number. Two consecutive whole numbers, that's mean I have the first number n, second number will be n plus 1, and so on. So if you are adding, because it's sum here, so we'll add them, so n plus 1 will get 2n plus 1. 2n even number, and if you are adding 1 to the even number, we'll get an odd number. That's it. The whole number, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Two consecutive number, 1 plus 2 is 3, which is odd. 2 plus 3, which is 5, odd. 3 plus 4 is 7, odd. 4 plus 5 is 9, which is odd, and so on. Yes, here we reached end of our exam. Thank you very much, and see you soon with the new question paper, Edexcel GCSE. Thank you very much.